Perform each unit conversion. This is English to metric, English to metric, English, English to metric. And that we'll be making use of the conversion factors I showed you and mentioned in the previous problem. Length, 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. Volume, 1 quart is equal to 946 milliliters. Mass, 1 pound is equal to 154 grams. A, 1.4 inches. And we're going to millimeters. Our definition, 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters. Inches cancel. Now we go from centimeters to millimeters. 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. Centimeters cancel, and you have to make sure that you've put these units are commonly, and a lot of times other units in the metric system get turned upside down in the conversion process. So look carefully and make sure you're not saying meters is equal to 1 millimeter. That doesn't work, but you'll run across it and you'll probably do it, so be careful. It's the very kind of error, mistake, that we have to be very careful about. I'm doing it again upside down.
And then I'll have at least one student say, "Oh no, oh, that's not right, down." And I have to say, "Oops, you're absolutely right," and fix it.
Okay, units are millimeters. Okay, 1.4 times 2.54 times 10 equals
35.56 millimeters. Now, how much? Two significant figures, infinite by definition, because it's a definition, infinite because it's two significant figures here. We have to go to two significant figures here and round to 36 millimeters.
B, 116 feet, 2 centimeters. Multiple steps. We go from feet to inches, and from inches to centimeters. Okay, 1 foot is 12 inches. Feet cancel. 1 inch is 2.4 centimeters, and inches cancel. Final units are centimeters. 16 times 12 times 2.4 equals 35.8. Figures.
Unlimited because these are both definitions. So we have 3 significant figures here. We will round. 3 significant figures here, and we will round to 353, except the 3 will round up because of the 5.
Okay.
$18.45 kilograms. Going 2 pounds. Now, let's go back and review our conversion factor for mass. 1 pound is equal to 450 grams, or 453.6 if we need 4 sig figs. So we have the conversions in grams, not kilograms. Conversion factor would just be moving the decimal on that if we wanted to go directly to 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. And we have 4 significant figures, so I will use 453.6 grams is 1 pound, and this will preserve 4 significant figures in the final answer. Grams will cancel. 1845 times 1,000 divide 453.6 equals 4067.46. And where do we round? 4 sig figs. 4 sig figs in this factor. This is not a definition. This is a measured conversion. And so we only have, at this level, 4 significant figures. And so we will round here. The 4 does not make the 7 round up, and so this will become 4,067 pounds. D. 815 yards to kilometers. This one's going to be a number of steps because our conversion factor between English and in length is inches and centimeters. Other conversion factors certainly exist, but this is the one that has an unlimited number of significant figures. So, from yards to inches, 1 yard is 36 inches. Yards cancel. Here's our English to metric conversion. 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters. There are, and we're going to kilometers, so we go to meters first. There are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. Inches cancel. Centimeters cancel. And to go from meters to kilometers, kilo is 1,000. And remember, the smaller unit gets the bigger number. So smaller unit gets 1,000. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. And we will, that's going to be a little bit out of the range, but you'll see it, the answer. 815 times 36 times 2.54 divided by 100 divided by 1,000 equals 0.74524. And the units on this are going to be kilometers. We will round 3 sig figs, indefinite, 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 indefinite. So 3 sig figs will round over here 0.745 kilometers. Final answer.